Welcome. In front of me is OPPO Reno 14 5G, and in this video I will show you what to do if your phone is overheating while charging. So the first thing that I want to say is it is completely normal for your phone to overheat if you're using a fast charging cable and fast charging adapter. But if you want to reduce the overheating effects on your phone, you can go to settings and check the battery tab. First of all, you can disable fast charging if you go to charging settings and switch this option to the left. This way you will disable the fast charging and therefore your phone will not overheat. But additionally, you can reduce the battery resource consumption on your phone by watching the applications that use the most of the battery on your device. And then if you want to turn off one of these applications, you just have to select it, select force stop, and this will prevent this application from working in the background while you're charging your phone. Therefore your phone will not overheat so much. Also make sure that you're using an original charger and cable. Avoid using your phone while charging, and by using your phone I mean of course using social media or gaming, because working with your phone while it's charging also overheats your battery. The next thing that you have to do in order to reduce the overheating of your phone is remove the case to improve the heat distribution. As you can see, my phone doesn't have a case on it. So just remove the case while you're charging your phone, and this will significantly improve your charging quality. And also make sure that you're charging your phone in a cool, well-ventilated area. And that's all the tips I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.